Maybe we should charge it.
All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Poppy. This is Ben. We're doing experiments.
I'm dumb. He's also dumb, but slightly smarter than me.
So, what we're doing...
What about the thing?
Huh?
The thing.
We gotta tape it together.
Okay, whatever. I didn't know we had to tape it together.
So what we're doing today is we're doing an experiment, and we're gonna watch and see how long it takes for the water to drain.
This recording is over. Just kidding.
See how long it takes to go from one bottle to another, right?
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
I don't know. Are you sure you read the instructions?
What we did before was we emptied two 2-liter bottles.
I don't think this is.
We're taping them together so they hopefully won't leak too much.
What is this?
We put stuff in here that'll float. So maybe we can see what it does. Ah, there we go. And
what?
I got a timer.
For what?
So we can time see how long it takes.
It takes 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Well, let's see.
And also I didn't know what to say in front of the camera while you were away, so we probably have to cut that out.
Ready? Start. All right.
What about the thing?
Let's see what they do. Oh, that's cool.
But what about the thing? The thing.
The what?
The thing.
What thing?
The
washer?
Yeah.
We didn't need it after all. So, let's see.
It's like an hourglass.
It is.
But maybe it's... Okay, never mind.
27 seconds.
Okay.
Alright, now, this time when we turn it over, I'm going to swirl it a little bit and see what it looks like.
Can I swirl it?
Let me get it up here. And we're going to... Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, I forgot to reset it. See the tornado?
Yeah. It's an underwater tornado.
It is.
Better than an...
I forgot to time it. You ready?
Wait a minute. Isn't an underwater tornado a hurricane?
I don't know. I have to look that up. All right, ready to time it?
Beep.
Boop, it's going.
Beep. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Time's up.
Man, that went a lot faster. It went in 16 seconds when we swirled it.
Okay.
So, what does that tell us? That if the water's moving in that circle...
If you swirl something, time goes faster.
Yeah, or the water goes faster.
I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
You are not dumb.
I am
Alright, we'll be
dumb.
back with another experiment in a few minutes.
So, this is our second experiment.
Balloon in the bottle.
Yes, the balloon in the bottle. Got the balloon, the bottle, the oven mitt.
The water.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It didn't say about anything about oven mitts in the title. It's just a balloon and a bottle. Well, anyways, let's explain how it works. We're gonna microwave this water, and then we're gonna put a balloon in it, and it's gonna sink down like a pirate ship. Yeah. And then,
all right.
Wait. Oh, and also we need oven mitts.
That's right. That's right. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Be back in a second so you can see it microwaved.
I like a cat. Do you think I like a cat? Leave a comment down below. I was expecting it to pop. A
Ah.
little longer. Sit. Do you mind if I bop you? Bop.
3, 2, 1. Ah. Microwave, microwave, microwave.
Hey, did you set it to time lapse?
Mm-hmm. Well, we will in a minute.
Ooh, I'm bored. Go, get your butt. Oh, hi. Is this thing recording? Is this thing recording? I think it is.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Hold that very carefully.
Is it hot?
Yes, very. We're gonna put the balloon on. Alright, so let go gently. And let's watch what happens.
We should. Ah, that's hot.
We're gonna do a time lapse. Okay?
Is this hot? Ow, that's hot. That's hot. Oh, is this recording? Hello. It worked, and I don't know how it works. It did work. I also know how it works. Just doesn't know how it did it. That's the thing. Fuse back. Can you give me?
Evaporation and constriction and heat expands things.
I got a D+ in science class.
So as we heated things up, it got bigger.
Okay.
And as they cool off, they constrict. Right? They expand and then constrict.
Ow, that's still hot.
So when it constricted, it pulled the air down the inside with the balloon, right?
I was ignoring that.
I noticed.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Y'all hold on a minute for the big epic finish.
No. It's still going. We should record this. Should we record this?
We are. Good idea.
We did record this? Okay, we're going to record this. Yeah, it's still going. That's the end of this clip thingy.
And now for the epic finish.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Are we doing it again?